The Green Chemistry and Commerce Council is an exceptional cohort of thought leadership and practitioners mobilized around this vital societal need. As part of the GC3's mission to improve human and environmental health through the adoption of sustainable chemistry solutions, we are rolling out several improvements in 2023. Our goal is to enhance our promise to deliver world-class service to our members by streamlining processes, improving technology, expanding programs, and strengthening our relationships.
Through Chem, we joined GC3 as new members a few months ago, so we wanted to see what's going on in the green chemistry arena, especially because our entire work is based in green chemistry and digitization, so this seemed like a fantastic opportunity to network with other people who also are really into the topic of green chemistry and bringing it onto the market.
I think it was really great to be together again, to see people in the eyes and to think about the future of green chemistry.
I would like to be a part of the change for a transition to a sustainable world, and lucky enough that I have a company supporting that, and that we also can support companies with the transition.
And it was really good to have a bit more in-depth conversations on what people thought about the different topics that have been talked about at the conference.
Seeing all the good spirit and all the great ideas of so many different types of industries and types of companies, and all the different efforts everyone's making.
It's been great to see the new GC3 team, and I look forward to the next US but also European Forum meeting.